Labor Day. Nature's View continue working. No days off. All to make customers satisfied. And what we're doing today is like cleaning this land. We have a tornado like a week ago here in Livingstone Parish. And a lot of trees fell down. And now we're doing the cleanup. You guys can see we have this trailer full. We've been back and forth, taking all these to the dumpster. Dump all that on the West Management. Big trees. Like over here, the guys are fixing the chainsaw. We already used like 3 chains. We've been changing them because it's been cutting so much. You guys on YouTube. Hey. What's up? ¿Está calientito? Yeah, you guys can see big trees. Excuse us. We're gonna leave this like nothing happened. Gotta put them down, cut it on pieces. We got these little hammocks here. Just to take a nap a little bit. You guys can see it destroyed also this pool. All the heavy wind. It was like 80 miles per hour. And break that pool.
Bájala hasta abajo. Ahora solo en medio. Solo en medio.